Hi parents, this is just another option for using emojis on a device that doesn't already have them visible that you can find like an iOS device on an iPhone or an iPad. It's easy to insert those emojis, but this is another option. So if you have a Windows 10 or 8 computer with a touch keyboard, so if you have an HP laptop and you have Windows 10 installed and it happens to have a touch keyboard, this is how your child can use emojis. So I'm going to go to Seesaw, back to this same activity. Down here on the bottom, I guess this is called the taskbar. If I right click, I can choose show touch keyboard button when I already have it selected. So if I didn't have it selected, there's no check mark next to it. So I would show that it's connected or have it shown. Down here is where it shows up. So I'll click touch keyboard, which is basically just an on-screen keyboard. And then these Windows 8 and 10 devices already have emojis there. So click the smiley, and then I have all these different options. So I can search for the emoji that I want by scrolling. I can use these different tabs down at the bottom. Maybe I want to put an ambulance or a fire truck or something like that. Something to keep in mind, which I just had to figure out, if you don't have, if you pull up the keyboard, then you need to select where you're typing. So I had to put a text box, make sure my cursor was in the text box, and then select the emoji that I wanted to use. So maybe I want a police car. Once I've selected it, I can close the keyboard, and I'd probably want to move the police car onto the road and not have it in this space. So that is just another option if your child needs or wants access to emojis on a device that isn't iOS.